Hello and welcome to Yuman. We are going to introduce you to your new application for managing technical requests. This application will allow you to receive and handle requests for interventions made by the hotel staff. Thus, each time a request is recorded, you will receive a notification directly on your mobile. To open the application, simply click on the Yuman icon on the home page of your mobile. You will then be directed to the login page of the application, and you can log in using the login and password you were given. Please note that you will then remain logged into the application and will not have to repeat this operation. To access the list of current applications, click on the corresponding icon at the bottom of the screen. By clicking on one of them, you will find all the information associated with the request, the location of the intervention, as well as the category and subcategory of incident. You can also find details provided by the requester as well as a photo. To carry out the interventions, you have two possibilities. Either you can reserve the intervention and carry it out later, or you can carry out the interventions immediately. We will take care of this first request. To do so, simply click on the I do it now button. And when the intervention is finished, you can click on the finish button. You will then find yourself on the list of interventions carried out during the day. The second option is to accept the request for processing at a later date. To do this, click on the I will do it later button. We find our two interventions, the first now in the status completed, and the second still to be completed, which is mentioned in progress. Finally, you have the possibility to choose your preferred language. You just have to click on the three dots at the bottom of the screen and select the language you want among the 7 languages proposed. If I click on the language French, I can see that the page has been translated. That's the end of this tutorial. As you can see, it's easy to use. Thank you for listening and see you soon on Yuman.